Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to create local account in Windows 11. How to do this? Let's start. Click on Windows 11 icon and search in search bar NetPLWIZ and run as administrator. On this window you will find Add button. Click on Add button. Now click on Sign in without Microsoft account. Now click on Local Account. Now write the name of your local account. In the second box, write down your password and again confirm your password. In the password hint section, write anything which should be alphabetical and click on Next button. Now your local account has been created. You can see here your local account has been created. These easy and simple steps that we can follow to create local account in Windows 11. Also, this video will be helpful for you. See you another video. Goodbye.